Hello, children. I hope you're healthy and safe at your home. Let's continue with our online learning process with new topic lesson 5, the internet web browser. In this lesson, we will learn about internet connection and its web browser. Topics that we will learn in this lesson are network, internet, history of internet, commonly used internet terms, basic requirements for an internet connection, web browser and its parts. What is network? A group or system of interconnected people or things to exchange information. For example, like we have seen a spider web. Its all threads are interconnected. Similarly, a network connects different computers to each other to share information. What is internet? When the computer networks join together, they form a bigger network called internet. Internet connects millions of computers around the world. Internet not only contains huge amount of information but also provides new ways of communication with people around the world. History of Internet. In 1969, when man walked on the moon, the US Defense Department set an Advanced Research Project Agency ARPA for further research. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data and information. This network was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. After some time, many universities were allowed to join this network and share their information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to the internet. Earlier, internet was used by engineers, scientists and computer experts only. Gradually, the network becomes accessible to private agencies and general public. In India, internet services started on 15th August 1995 through a government-owned company VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Commonly used internet terms are www, World Wide Web. It refers to a network of sites on the internet which contains information in the form of text, images, animation, and videos. Web page. A web page is a digital page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. Home page. The first page of a website is called the home page. It contains the information about website along with the links to the other pages of that particular website. URL. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as the Uniform Resource Locator. The URL of any website is entered in the address bar of a web browser. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offers you the use of internet in exchange of a fee. Some popular ISP in India are BSNL, Airtel, Jio, etc. Net surfing, the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called net surfing. Search engine. A search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. Examples: Google, Bing, Yahoo. Basic requirements for an internet connection. Modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It is used to transmit and receive information between computers using wires. Internet connection. This service is a must for accessing internet. Telephone line. It is a medium that connects computer to an internet service provider. Web browser. It is a software application used to access the information available on the web. Web browser and its parts. Web browser is a software application used to access the information available on the web. Back button. Clicking on this button will take you back to the previous page. Forward button. By clicking on this button, you will come to the page that you were on before clicking the back button. Reload this page. Clicking on this button will reload the most recent changes of the current page. Bookmark this page. This option allows the user to store the chosen websites so that one can easily find them whenever they need it. New tab. Clicking on this button allows you to open a web page in a new tab. Customize and control Google Chrome. Clicking on this button will display a drop-down menu with several options to customize and control the Google Chrome settings. Some of the options are print, history, zoom, more tools. So children, this much in this lesson. Till we meet, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.